Welcome to Disneyland. You look beautiful.
We finally made it to the happiest place on earth. I'm really not quite sure it is the happiest place on earth.
Yes, it is.
I think walking out in nature or supping on a lake is quite light. That's better. But we're here. We're going to have a great time. I'm happy with my ears. Let's do it. Happiest place on earth. Actually, I think the happiest place on earth is where you are right now. So right now I'm in the happiest place on earth, in the happiest place on earth. Let's go to Splash Mountain. Day one, and we've already had a shocker. Day one, and we've already had a shocker. So we have some 4-day, 10-day park hopper passes. The 10-day you can only get Australians and Kiwis. And we didn't realise you had to print it off. I was told you could just show it on your phone and exchange it for your tickets. But you had to print it off. And so I've been running around trying to find somewhere to print it off. The Disneyland California Hotel luckily helped me after their business centre failed and their printer wasn't working, and I begged them to let me forward the vouchers to them, and they did. So big thank you to them. But what dramas to get in. So that's a tip for you. Get the 4-day or 10-day park hop because they're really cool, but make sure you print off those vouchers before you arrive. All right, now we can go to Space Mountain.
Splash Mountain is the best thing in the world. It was really fun. She was scared, but she loved it.
Did you get wet? Who got the wettest?
Nice to meet you.
Who's? Me? Yeah, I did wet. Good way to cool down.
Amazing! Thank you!
It is literally rock hard.
Haunted house time. Alright, Haunted Mansion time. Not sure how the little ones are going to go. I'm a bit nervous. We'll see. Great time to come because it's Halloween and we have Halloween party tickets that we're coming to next week. So this is just a small sampling of what it's going to be like.
Lyra, where are we going?
Haunted Mansion.
The Mickey and the Map show out at Disneyland. Awesome! See all the Disney characters and Disney princesses stole the show. Great music, great dancing, great singing. Check it out, it's really cool.
On a day not unlike today, one of my most fascinating creations was nearly complete. It was a map unlike any other. Someday, when you learn the secret of a map.
Nobody's looking. What did it hurt? I'll finish painting the map.
Here we go.
Hold on, Jared.
Oh, hold on to me bag. We're way up high. We're going down there, aren't we? Oh!
We're going to Mickey's house to meet Mickey.
Yo, Mickey!
Oh my god, we're in Mickey's house. Mickey's real house.
It's
There
made
he
of-
is.
If only it was made of cheese. That would be cool.
And red wine. I won't talk to Mickey, he's in there. We're going to tell him how to do right.
All the kids together
Kids
for a
first.
photo.
Yeah, kids first.
Go for it.
Hi.
Oh, group hug. So what's gonna happen is Mickey is going to use one pen for all autograph books.
Okay.
Yeah. Just so you guys know.
Aww.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
country?
We're on Small World.
You just sing it. It's a small world after all.
Stop singing, it's embarrassing. Stop singing, it's embarrassing.
What are we waiting for? The parade, the Disney Pixar Parade. It's about to turn the corner. Let's have a look. Excited? Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Disney videos and fun travel adventures on the way. Like this video, leave a comment sharing your best Disney tip, and we will see you in the next video.